Hey going guys, Beardicus the One Take Wonder here, and in this video I'm going to be looking at unboxing a Thermaltake 650 watt RGB smart power supply. Now this is one of the things that I actually did a trade for my mate's PC build. You can check that video out in the description below or the links up above. If you're on desktop or mobile, they should pop up. But yeah, anyway, this is one of the things that I traded for. The other was a 3600 Ryzen, which I've got. Where did I put that? Where did I put that thing? Oh, there it is. 3600. Oh, there we go. So this channel here is all about one takes. I don't really do too much editing, if any at all. I'll only edit out the bits where I might stand up and I'm not wearing any pants. But apart from that, yeah, I try and do this in one take. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, subscribe to this channel. Okay, so we've got here the instruction manual and also looks like warranty information there. Throw that to the side for the second. Oh, it's one thing, I've already done a few Thermaltake ones before, but I love, and I think most of them do it, but I love the bag of goodies for all the cables. So we've got there the 24 pin and the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pin for the motherboard. So this is fully modular, I might add, and it's 650 watt as well, RGB. You've got your SATA, your old 4-pin IDE hard drive standard. You've got, oh no, it's red. Oh no, hang on, sweet. Okay, so we've got red ones and we've got black ones as well. Sweet, because yeah, red, I'm just not a fan. Like it's sort of, it's gonna show up when you plug in your GPU. So yeah, having the black ones there as well, yeah, nice work. Unless they're for, they may be for a separate, it might be a separate reason for them. Not sure. There's a 4-pin IDE to 4-pin fan as well there. So that's cool. Let's jiggle this around. Now, what else we got here? We've got your standard 3-pin power. Got some mounting screws in there and also some cable ties. Sweet. Throw that to the side. Oh, here we go. Creme de la creme. Oh. Let's open this up and pop some bubbles. Oh, that's good. All right, eat some silica later. Sweet. All right, close the box up. Oh, Smart Pro RGB, sorry. Smart Pro RGB 650 watt. Cool. So there's your power side, top vent for the fan, and the back side for all the cables. Sweet. One of the things I like there is you've got the Rgb lighting button. So when you press that, it will change between the different colors that it has available or turn it off. The Smart Zero fan here, if you want the fan running all the time, I believe you turn it off. Correct me down in the description below, the comments below, sorry. No, it doesn't say there at the moment. I'm not going to look and make you wait. Put it on, and that means that if it doesn't need the fan, it's not going to put it on. So hang on, here we go. Smart Zero fan on. The fan does not operate if the PSU is at low load. So I was correct, yep. So if you turn that on, it means that this fan will not come on unless it's actually required, if the components are heating up inside there. So if it's low load, then yeah, it's not gonna turn on. So you get to peel that little sticker off too. It says that. Oh, look at that. There's the 3-pin power. Cool. So I will be actually using this in a, well, hopefully I'm gonna be using it in a full RGB build. It's gonna be, yeah, pretty sweet. We'll have RGB RAM, RGB M2, RGB all-in-one water cooler, RGB case with fans, RGB motherboard. I think it'll just be, yeah, totally RGB. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you are a fan of what I'm doing here as Beardicus, then yeah, definitely leave me a comment, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my main TechWizTime channel where I do all sorts of cool tech stuff. So, as always, thanks guys, catch you later.